If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on subscribe button and hit on bell icon to get notification on channel updates. Hello viewers, today I am sharing you 2 healthy breakfast recipes prepared with oats. Oats are a very good source of fiber rich in protein antioxidants. Oats controls blood sugar and cholesterol levels. This recipe helps in weight loss and keeps you full for a long time. Take a ceramic bowl or cup or any glass jar or container. I am taking a small cup of oats. This is half measuring cup. Here I am taking rolled oats, also known as old-fashioned oats. You can also use quick oats which are thin to make this recipe. But quick oats contain sugar and other added flavors which are not good for health. So prefer rolled oats as they are highly nutritious. Now with the same measuring cup, add 1½ cup of milk. I am taking cow's milk which is boiled and then cooled. You can use almond milk or coconut milk, whichever you like. And add ½ cup of curd, also called yogurt. Pinch of rock salt, 1½ spoon of chia seeds. These are not sabja seeds or basil seeds. Chia seeds are meant to help in weight loss and are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which is good for heart. Add ½ spoon of cinnamon powder, which is homemade. Take few cinnamon sticks and grind it in a mixer jar. Cinnamon is one of the healthiest spices that improves our immunity. Adding this powder gives nice flavor to the recipe. Now add mango pieces. Since it is mango season now, I am using this fruit. You can add any fruit of your choice, well-ripened banana or apple or strawberry. But my family loves mangoes and the recipe tastes delicious with mangoes and bananas rather than any other fruit. Add 1 spoon of honey. You can add honey later also. Now mix well. Soak it overnight, about 12 hours. If you are using quick or instant oats, 8 hours is enough. Now refrigerate this. You can soak this normally at room temperature also, but use water instead of milk. That's it. The next day morning, keep it outside refrigerator 1 hour before you have your breakfast. Can you see? Oats have soaked really well. Now I am adding few more mango pieces as topping. Few walnuts and badam. Chop them really fine and add. Handful of peanuts, also called groundnuts. Crush them with hands and add. Peanut butter can also be added instead. You can have toppings as per your choice. Cashews, pistas, dry grapes, anything you like. Now, overnight oats breakfast is ready. Let's move on to second breakfast. This recipe is super quick and easy to make. You can have this during break time also. Add a small cup of rolled oats or old-fashioned oats. This is half measuring cup. I am adding dates for sweetness. Add more dates for more sweetness if you like. Remove the seeds and add. You can even chop these into pieces and add for easy blending. Add 3 to 5 cashews. These are natural healthy fats and is good for brain and heart. Add water till it is immersed properly. Soak it for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, take handful of peanuts and chop very finely. This is for topping. You can use any nuts for topping. Let us check if oats are soaked. Yes, it has become soft now. Add these to a blender. Now take a ripe banana. The one with dot spots are more sweeter. So prefer this type of banana. Chop them into slices and add. Into this, I am adding half spoon of cinnamon powder, which is homemade. If you don't have it, you can add cinnamon stick. Just break it into pieces and then add. Now add half glass of water and blend to a smooth paste. Add water while blending if it is required. Make sure there are no chunks left. Top with peanuts and oats banana smoothie is ready. So easy, isn't it? Catch you in next video. Till then, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.